Locating Our Values Part 2, Aligning Values and National Conversations. Values about writing don't just emerge from campus influences, but also from the national organizations that inform our disciplinary field of composition and rhetoric, otherwise known as writing literacy studies. Other long-standing writing programs have devised many strategies for achieving their programmatic objectives, and WPAs from across the country have constantly implemented new programmatic innovations. Consider how the statements, resolutions, and research from our field scholarship might inform your programmatic initiatives and how they might offer you language to make persuasive arguments about those enterprises. The following resources will help you learn more about the past and current writing program inventiveness and dynamics. You will need to do some research of these resources to discover the best approaches and rhetorics for your institution. Each of these organizations will have websites, journals, and other resources for your information. The Council of Writing Program Administrators, the Conference on College Composition and Communications of NCTE, Two-Year College Association, International Writing Center Association, and Association for Writing Across the Curriculum. After reviewing some of these resources, and there are a lot, consider how you might use their frameworks and persuasive language to argue for the types of policies, initiatives, and curricula that you want to spearhead on your campus. Now that you have carefully and thoroughly thought through these values, influences, and context, make a map of your campus that identifies the stakeholders of your campus writing program and render ways to illustrate how they impact your writing program. Once you've distinguished these writing program forces and rendered their roles, write some of the language or ideals of our disciplinary field that could serve as rhetorical frameworks for your WPA labors and objectives. You will share these maps with your fellow participants as a means to illustrate your institution's writing matrix. Now, prepare a 2-minute pitch that in a nutshell explains your map and its implications. This pitch will explicate the context of your program on your campus, but also draft how you might want to present your writing program to various stakeholders at your institution and to possible grant funders. Looking back on your personal values and priorities map, brainstorm 3 possible focuses for next steps you might pursue at your institution. Now look over the workshop schedule and make notes on how each session may help you achieve those steps. Consider what action plan you may want to work on here to get the rich feedback that you have available among your workshop colleagues. Here are some questions upon which you may want to reflect. What do you take to be your most important priorities and goals for the workshop? How will you set priorities? What challenges may you encounter? Once we meet as a forum, either face-to-face or virtually, we will have a gallery walk presentation of our maps. We will designate a way that you can respond to your peers to identify if your campus has similar issues or if you just want to know more. Throughout our workshop activities, your goal map will no doubt evolve as you learn more about resources, reflect upon your teaching, staffing, and student body's needs, and rehearse these issues as a group. Thank you for your hard work in preparing these notes, reflections, and renderings prior to when we convene as a group.